Hey all, welcome back to the show AI Tidbits. In this episode, let's talk about the traction of AI powered search engines that are gaining focus in the search engine industry. So, recently there was a news OpenAI is said to be developing a web search product that could rival Google and other AI search engines. Bloomberg stated recently the new search feature is expected to be integrated into ChatGPT, allowing users to search the web and cite sources directly within the chatbot. Actually, we have all been there, right? You type a question into a search engine and then get million irrelevant links as a result. It's almost like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Yes, we have all been there. So, why these AI powered search engines are gaining traction? There are some advantages of using these AI powered search engines over the traditional search engines like Google. It offers personalization. They excel in giving personalized search results based on users' data and behavior and preferences, and based on the search history and interactions. And it also has contextual understanding. It goes beyond the keyword matching, which is usually done by the traditional search engines, by understanding the context of the query and the intent of the query through semantic analysis. There are currently many AI powered search engines in the market like Perplexity AI, U.com, which is UChat, ChatSonic, which is actually positioned as ChatGPT alternative. But how are all these performing? How are they faring? I actually tested Perplexity on many queries. So, this is my personal experience. I'm sure you might have tried as well. I tried by including questions about current events, like how did Taylor Swift do in the recent Eras tour? It actually stated that the tour generated around estimated revenue of $1.5 billion, and it also gave links to the website stating the information, and it was quite right. And I also asked about shopping recommendations and household tasks, how to perform, do it yourself, and it gave me spot on results. Under the hood, basically, Perplexity runs on OpenAI's GPT 3.5 model along with its own AI model, a variant of Meta's open source Llama 2. Users who upgrade to Pro version can choose between a handful of different models, including GPT-4 and Anthropic's Claude. Another experience that is worth sharing from the trials of Perplexity is the location data. When I pose the question like how to reach so and so place from my place, it doesn't have the location data. Whereas Google, it has the current location of the user, and this is a big advantage, especially with the ecosystem that it has, like Google Maps. Also, the AI powered search engines do not offer versions like Gmail, Google Chrome, Docs, or any other dozens of products that the Google's ecosystem has. So we will have to wait and watch how OpenAI fares against these constraints to be able to be successful in the market. So, what are the differences between these AI search engines and the traditional search engines? The traditional ones are designed to provide a list of relevant websites by crawling and indexing, as you all know, while the AI search engines aim to generate responses directly to a query, basically in conversational format by analyzing the intent of the query. So, the traditional search engines rely on algorithms that rank results based on relevance and popularity. These AI search engines, on the other hand, uses NLP and ML techniques to understand the intent behind the query and generate responses. So, how should businesses prepare for the future of search? As AI-powered search engines like ChatGPT and Google Bard become more prevalent, they will rely heavily on structured data to understand web content and provide accurate conversational type responses. By implementing schema markup, you are making your content more accessible and understandable for these AI search assistants. Schema markup helps search engines build knowledge graphs, interconnected data sets that represent entities, their properties, and the relationships between them. This enables AI powered search to make inferences and provide more relevant answers and contextual answers. Business has to adapt to zero click searches. They need to be prepared for this zero click search where users get their answers directly from the search results page rather than focusing mostly on ranking the keywords. So, this is called answer engine optimization. This is to position your business as the primary source of information. This is basically a growing set of this traditional search engine optimization with a focus on optimizing content to directly answer user questions rather than just going behind ranking of these keywords so that your a website finally shows up in the results as a link in the traditional search engines. The answer engine optimization techniques involve some steps like conducting thorough topic research and build relevant structured data and understanding the query intent and building authoritative answers, all of these to optimize content for the direct answers rather than just these high rankings. That's all for today. See you in the next episode. Bye.